What's up, everyone? I'm here to give you some tips to make your Disneyland visit your money's worth. First tip we're going to talk about is actually getting to the park. If you ask me, I would say go on off seasons. There's this website that I check out that's called evak.official, and right there you kind of check on the website. That kind of gives you an idea how the crowds will be for not only for Disneyland, but you could also check out like SeaWorld, Legoland. Even if you want to book a trip here in Vegas, you could kind of get an idea how the crowds will be. And not only the hotel rates will be cheaper, also park admissions is cheaper as well. So compared to going on a peak day for $150 for a one day, and when you go on an off season, you'll pay like $110 for one park. Yeah, so like the slowest months, I would say yes, like December is like, in the beginning of December it's kind of slow, but then as it passes, maybe until like the 19th, when it starts picking up, and then it gets like insanely packed. And then same with the summertime, it's like packed. But if you go like in January, February, even like early March, it's like dead. I just went in March for my girlfriend's birthday, and we went on, it was so dead. Everything was like 5 to 10 minute wait, except for like the more popular rides, which is the most you would wait is maybe like 30-40 minutes. But you could always get a fast pass for those lines anyways. And then I'll explain to you about about getting fast passes later on in the video. So when you want to buy tickets, when you get to, well, I don't know about the Florida location, but in Disneyland Anaheim, there's 3 lines to get in. There's the first line, you're gonna go through the security. Second line is to purchase tickets, which is optional, and I'll explain to that in a bit. And then the third line is getting into the park. So if you want to at least skip the line to purchase tickets, you can buy tickets from your hotel. Sometimes in the hotels they have promotions on buying tickets. So maybe last year when we came in November, our plan was to go to our hotel. We were gonna chill for the day and then go for Disney for the 3-day hopper. But when we went, they had a deal that when you purchase a 3-day hopper ticket, you get a 4th day free. So it's like a 4-day hopper ticket for the price of a 3-day ticket. So we figured might as well take advantage of the opportunity. So we just parked our car and just went to Disney. Then when we came out of Disney, we just like checked into the hotel and then go on for the next 3 days. Another important tool to use to make your Disneyland amazing is download the Disneyland app. So you just download Disneyland app. See, not only you could see all the wait times on all of the rides, but you can also purchase tickets on there. And another benefit on the Disneyland app is they have this thing called the Max Pass. So the Max Pass is basically like Disneyland's Fast Pass system. And also on the benefits to the Max Pass, it's an additional $15 per day. So even if you have like a 3-day hopper ticket, you have to buy the $15 each time. Or unless, I don't know if they have, I haven't been to Disney in a few months, so I don't know if they have like a deal to get all the Max Pass for multiple days. But not all the rides have the Disneyland Fast Pass system, but it works great on the more popular rides. So, and then also on using the Max Pass, you can also use if you don't have like a nice photography camera, you can also use the photographers there. So if you want to get a nice picture with your family, like as soon as you walk in, with the big Mickey with like the garden thing that they have there, as soon as you walk in, or if you want to get a nice picture in front of the castle, you can use the Max Pass. You just like pop it up, and then they'll scan it, and then they'll take the picture of it, and then like you'll be able to have access to the picture maybe within like a day. Like the next day, you should have access to see all the pictures that they took from that day's visit. Just to wrap up this video, I'm going to be going to Disneyland maybe in November, which it should be slow because we went last year and it was pretty dead and it was like really awesome. So we also want to try out the Disneyland Flex Pass. So I'll give you guys a video on that, see if that's worth getting. But yeah, if you guys like my video, let me know if you like. I'm just trying different stuff. I know I'm doing trying to do some food reviews out there in Disney. I'm trying to do maybe, I don't know, just trying to different things. See what you guys like, and let me know if you guys want to see what type of content you want to see on this channel. So if you guys do, just like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, follow me on Instagram. I also make music too, so if you guys want to check out my Soundcloud, you can check that. Free sample packs. It's not really going to be original tracks, but I'm just going to be using these samples from these royalty-free sample packs to make like some tracks that you guys could use for your videos. So I'll let you guys know, and then also put in some of my stuff on there. So check it out. Peace.